Hello YouTube, today we're going to see how to fix this app can't open. A problem with Windows is preventing screen snipping from opening in Windows 11. To fix this, follow the steps. When you go to snipping tool from search and you click on open, and when you create a new snipping, you will get this error. So let us see how to fix this error. The only fix for this error is you have to go to taskbar and right click and go to adjust date and time, and then you have to go to set time automatically, just toggle it off, and now you can see there is an option called set the date and time manually. Click on change, and here you have to change the date to October 31st and click on change. Now you have to go to snipping tool and click on new, and you can see you will not face the error again. So you have to do this very quickly here. It is recommended to open the snipping tool parallelly and do this step, as the date will change automatically to your current date and time. Now the system has automatically set the date and time to current date. Now you click on snipping tool and click on new, and it is allowing to snip. And also when I try again, going back to snipping tool application and click on open snipping tool, you can see I am able to create snips. So this is how you have to fix this particular issue. Just tell me in the comment section below this solution worked for you. Give a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.